Hey everybody, it's Matthew Reinhart, and this is the 12 Days of Holiday Pop. This time, we're gonna make a really cool poinsettia pop. No plant says holiday like poinsettias. Oh, I love those things, they're so beautiful. Now, we can make our own. Let's make a pop-up poinsettia. First thing you're gonna need to do is download the templates. There's a link below, and you can just download them and print them onto 2 pieces of cardstock. You can choose whatever color you want. Now you're going to see on the template there's 2 types of lines. There's a dotted line and a solid line. The dotted line indicates where you're supposed to score the pop-up pieces. So what we need to use is a ruler and a paper clip, and we're going to run the paper clip along each of the dotted lines using the edge of a ruler to make sure that we get them just straight. And she presses down a little with the paper clip, and that way all of those fold lines, those dotted lines are going to be fold lines. All of them will fold really well once we cut out all the pieces. Next up, we're going to use a pair of scissors and we're going to cut all of the solid black lines. So just poke a little hole right like that, and then cut the inside of the poinsettia pop-up piece. Take your time, be real careful, and get that inner piece out. And then we're just going to cut along the rest of the solid lines and cut out the remaining piece, just like this. Be careful when you're cutting out all these pieces, and take your time. Move the paper rather than moving your scissors. It's a lot easier. You're going to cut out the base page just like so. Make sure that you pre-fold all of the pieces, and what you can do is just watch how we're doing it. We're going to pre-fold all these pieces. And since we've scored those fold lines, it's real easy to fold there, just like this. Take your time and watch how Kirsten does it. This way, our pop-up knows where to go once it's glued down. Folding away. I love to fold my pieces before they go in the pop-up. Oh yeah, folding it, oh yeah. You get that free song from me, aren't you lucky? Now we're going to glue these large sections onto the base page. So this is glue A tab here. See, it's a really big one. Make sure you kind of paint the glue into place. And it's just, you can see that it fits right into place. And make sure the center of that large center pop-up piece is lined up with the center of the base page. See how it's lined up? Those lines are along the same axis. Next, we're going to add some glue to the opposite side on space B. And we're going to glue it into place and glue the other tab just like this. Make sure you press it down. It should be built flat. Make sure your poinsettia pop-up piece is completely flat and in place and centered. Now we're going to glue these side pieces on. So paint a little glue on the tab just like this. Don't use too much glue, be careful. And see, it lines up just like so. There's one. Press it down. Now that tab, I'm going to fold it up. Now this tab here, we're going to fold it up and we're going to add some glue right here on this area. Press it down into place. Just like so. Let's do the same for the opposite side, but this time, instead of being on the top, it's going to actually glue on the lower part. So I'm going to add this, just like that, and let's look for the shape that looks like, its shape fits in right there, in the lower left side. And then we need to fold up the other tab, just like this. Use some glue and paint it just into that spot right there on the gray. Press it down and let it dry for a little bit. These pieces should glue on completely flat, so you should be able to press them down with your hand flat. Now we're going to add some glue to this tab right here. And you're going to see that that shape is going to fit into a shape on that big main piece, just like that, in the upper left side. Press it down, make sure it's just right in place. And you should be able to fold up this lower part here, yes, and see, there's a little area that fits it exactly and needs some glue. Glue goes where the gray areas are. And just press it back down. Look at that, we've almost finished gluing together our poinsettia. Now this piece here, we're gonna glue this tab just like this, just on the tab. Be careful with getting glue all over the place. We don't want to use too much, but we do want to glue it down. Press it into place and you can see the shape that fits exactly. Look at those pieces fit exactly into place once they're glued on. Now, let's paint a little glue onto that gray area just like this. Press it down. Let it dry. Be patient. And there it is, it's all glued together. Look at, this is how it should fold. You can see those V-folds fold right in, and it looks like it blossoms on the page. And you know what? I think it's time to decorate. Woo, let's get decorating. I don't know, maybe add some sequins, use markers or crayons, or if you want felt or whatever you'd like to do. What a beautiful blossoming poinsettia. Hey, share your cool pop-up with somebody else. It's the holidays after all. Happy holidays, everyone. I hope you've enjoyed this 12 days of holiday pop, this poinsettia pop. Oh, it's so beautiful. And you don't even have to worry about not watering it. It's your very own pop-up poinsettia. This is Matthew Reinhart. If you like what you see, make sure to hit like and subscribe and check out more 12 days of holiday pops coming your way.